Hi guys, today we've got here ASUS Zenfone 11 Ultra and let me show you how to change wallpaper. First of all, enroll settings list. Now go to launcher and select wallpaper. And now it's time to choose the source from which you want to select your wallpaper. You can use one from default wallpapers, pick AI wallpapers, or open your own gallery and choose some picture that you store there, but let me choose one from default wallpapers. For example, this one, as you can see here, you can see it on both home and lock screen, so we can use two different wallpapers. Or obviously, we can apply the same, however you prefer, but let me go with two different wallpapers, then mark apply. And as you can see, it has been already set on both home and lock screens. Thank you for watching, please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.